Alright you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2012 Mini Cooper S Countryman. And the air filter I'm using is a carbon filter. You gotta move this passenger seat all the way to the back so you have more room to work with while you changing the cabin air filter. Just move it all the way. Alright, now next thing, get you a little small flathead screwdriver because you're gonna need to pry the cover off from underneath there. If you look underneath the glove box, you'll see that little plastic piece, little cover right there. That is where your cabin air filter hiding inside here. So that's when the flathead screwdriver will comes in, because you need to pry off, just gently pry off this cover. Okay, just gently so you won't break the cover, all right? It doesn't take much to break the cover, little plastic tab. So just try to work your way out. So just try to gently prying it off, a little by little. There we go. You see that right there? That is where the cabin air filter hiding inside here. Look at that, pretty filthy. Got leaves everywhere. Okay, just pull this one out. Woo, that's nasty. Look at all that leaves. Look at that. That's pretty nasty. It seems like the previous owner never replaced the cabin air filter. That's why the car stinks. The inside of this car, the one that we just bought, it stinks so bad. So, alright, I'm gonna clean it out and vacuum it out first before I reinstall the new filter. Alright, before you reinstall the new cabin air filter, let's verify where the airflow. What you want to do is, you don't have to start up your car, just put the key in and hit the start without starting up the motor and turn on the fan and watch this. This a little piece of paper towel that I tear off. You're gonna see which way the airflow, okay? And now you turn on the fan. You see that? How it pulls the air upward? See how it sucked the air up? Right there. So the airflow from bottom to the top, so it going upward, all right? And if you notice, this is a new cabin air filter, and this right here, it's showing it's telling you it's a one-directional air filter. So it shows that the air has to flow from the top all the way here. Just follow the arrow right here. It say airflow, pointing this. So when you install it, you have to install this way, because remember, the air, when I turn on the fan, it sucks the paper towel up. So that means the air flows from the bottom to the top. All right, so you have to install this way. And you just slide the new filter in. You see that little track right there? That's when you put in the new air filter inside that track, and then it'll lead you all the way to the top. And remember, the arrow pointing up, okay? Right there, flow up. Slide it in. Make sure it's in all the way. There you go. See that? Arrow pointing up. All right. Go ahead and close this cover. All you have to do is just push it in. You'll click on there. Make sure it clicks. If it doesn't click, just push in the air filter a little bit more so it'll close tight. Okay? Let's push in a little bit more so it'll close. There we go. Okay, it's in. Looks good right there. All right, let's turn on the fan and see what happened. Looks good. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Anyone can do it. Why taking your car to the dealership so they can charge you an arm and a leg just to replace a cabin air filter, which is only gonna take you less than 10 minutes, and they're gonna charge you at least $50–$60 just for that, and the filter costs only 10 bucks. So, you know, you have to be smart about it. Whatever you can do, save money, and you definitely can do a better job than whoever is doing your car. Once you learn how to do it, you're gonna be able to do it real easily and then save you that money. All right. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.